Boyfriend is coming over tonight. I've had an everything shower. I'm gonna go on a little date night tonight, go get some drinks. So I need my makeup to look good. I'm gonna go in with my Say Super Glowy Gel. Your skin looks so glowy. I'm gonna take my Milk Hydra Grip, pop this in the T-zone to make sure my makeup doesn't move all night. Take my NARS Pop Concealer, cover up this absolute beast on my chin. Decided to pop up today. I'm gonna take my Kylie Cosmetics foundation because I've literally used this once. I remember really liking it. The beast is basically gone now. Love that for us. I actually have beef with Primark right now. It's stressing me the hell out. Discontinued their cotton pads. Big oval ones. They were my absolute favorite thing in the world. So unbelievably cheap. If I knew they were discontinuing, I would have picked up loads. I need to conceal these under eyes. I'm going to take my Hourglass concealer, just pop this basically everywhere. Then I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Concealer, just pop this in the inner corner to really brighten. I'm going to take a dense concealer brush and blend in this little concoction. Feeling like a little 2D shape right now, so we need to bring back some contour. I'm going to be taking the Made by Mitchell Curve case. I'm going to take these two shades just here. This is the light palette, by the way. I don't love anything more than getting glam, doing a good glam at that. Okay, we are looking extremely lovely and bronze. Obsessed. Got the Rare Beauty blush in the shade Encourage. Could have been a little bit too much, I'm not gonna lie. Slowly blend that in. Get a sponge because pick up some of the product. Haven't used this blush in such a long time. Gorgeous. Always use the Charlotte Tilbury powder. I want to use something else. Just don't want to jeopardize my makeup routine like that because my under eye always just looks unreal. Pop some of this under my eye. And this spot down here because it literally will make it this where did she go? Poof. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to take a bit of my Huda Beauty powder everywhere. Like bake my inner corner with this. Snatch the nose a little bit so it looks skinny. Sensational, do you know what I mean, love? Around our time. Doll Beauty, give me son, if I can get it open. Go over everywhere we cream contoured, basically. I'm gonna take my Primark blush in the shade True Peach. £1 that blush. Crazy if you ask me. Wipe this bake away. Take my Rare Beauty highlight. I feel like it's gonna lose its entire life. Put that on my nose and my inner corner. Take a bit of my Wee Shree setting spray. Not much left of her. Basically just ran out. Base is actually unbelievably basing right now. Pop a little bit of a glitter eyeshadow on my lid because absolutely why not. The Urban Decay Moon Dust in Space Cowboy. I feel like it never does it justice. In person, every time I wear this, someone goes, what the hell have you got on your eye? Because it's just incredible. Oh, orgasmic. Sensational. I'm gonna take my NYX wing liner and just do like a quick wing line. Okay, liner is on. Let's do curling, curl the lashes. Just gonna take my Lancome Eyedowel mascara. I'm gonna try out a new lip combo today. This is the new Huda Beauty like glosses. I don't know if these are new lip liners, but we'll try them out anyway. I use warm brown and get these bloody open. This is so difficult. All right, got it. Line the lips now. Very creamy lip liner, so I feel like it's gonna budge really easily. I'm just gonna take some powder, set that lip liner in place. All the shades. In the shade Honey, peachy. That will look pretty. Let's pop her on. Literally perfect. I'm gonna finish this off with a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Perfect. Love the lip combo. Love the skin. Just chef's kiss. This is the finished glam. I'm absolutely obsessed. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.